Hello friends, today we will make this long tail pretty hair bow. For this, I have taken organza fabric of which we have already made pieces of all the parts. Now let's measure it. So for the tail we have taken a fabric of 12.5 square. And now we will take a rectangle fabric for the head. Those waist is 9.5 centimeter and length is it's 8 centimeter. And to attach it to the tail we will take a strip whose waist is we have kept 3 centimeter. Now we will make a strip perfectly with the bird there is and fix it with each other. Firstly we will make a bow. Now we will fold it properly in the middle. From the width side. And after that we will take a middle of the part of the length. And fold the both part of the fabric in the middle. Like that. And make a perfect bow. Like that. It's made perfectly. Now we will take a needle and the thread for sewing it. Firstly we will make the bow and after that we will attach the tail with it. Our bow is ready and now we will make the tail. So for the tail we will fold it again and again from the starting to end. Exactly like that. Also, We will fold it perfectly so that their look is come is it's exactly like that. Now take a needle. Now we will fix it with a bow. We will take a 2 to 3 round of the thread for fixing it so that it's they look and yeah, it's done now. Now now we will seal the edges of the tail from starting to end. Both side of the tail parts we will seal the edges so that its thread do not come out. Now our tail is half sealed and we will attach the strip in the middle. Firstly we will fold it. Now turn it in the back side of the bow, and both sides we will turn in a seam side for the before the swing it, like that. And now shave it. Now cut the extra part of a strip and burn the erase. And turn it around. And now our long tail pretty bow is ready. It's ready now, and thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel for